Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your mid-July reading. Okay, so we'll see what the guidance messages are there for you in the middle of the month. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get notified about my latest videos. All right, now so let's move on with the reading of my Capricorns now. Mid-July Capricorns 2020. Mid-July 2020 for my Capricorns, please. What are the cards? Okay, so many court cards are here. Let's see. So I can see that there is something, might be a communication from someone. There is something which, there was a very clear conversation I can see over here, and something might have ended because of that. Yeah, so there was a conversation which you made, I see that, with the Magician, that actually made you, made you in terms where you are no more in contact with this person. Might be a communication from your side where you told some things, because with the King of Swords I feel that the talk, the conversation, the communication between you two was not very of a lovey-dovey kind of a situation. No, it was very direct. It was like, head to head conversation, like whatever you are feeling, you just told this person, and it made, there was, so now there is no contact. With the communication card and no contact card coming in the same place, that means this conversation of yours actually made you, an ending came towards it with that contact. Like you contacted this person, you had a talk with this person, and now you are no more talking, because that was the talk about, that will not talk anymore. Did you get it? Yeah. So we'll see what did you talk. So there was, okay, with the King of Swords and King of Cups, with the Seven of Cups, there was a liking. Yes, there was love over here in the situation. There was, the problem is that love and head, basically your heart and your mind, they are like, what is going on? Like, this person is not able to hear me, and when I need to talk to this person, all I say is the harsh truth. All my words are just upside down when I actually want to talk. So that kind of an energy. So this thing, your mind being in so many places, might be, there is something you were going on, you were going with something else, I see. Yeah, you were going with something else. There was some other problems are also going in your mind, and then this person comes to you, talks to you, and then you also talk to that person, and all you say is bad stuff. So this is something which actually is coming over here. Yeah, so everything has come to an end. I can see over here that from your heart, I feel that from both of the sides this conversation is ended. With the Six of Pentacles and the two other cards at the Tower and Ten of Swords. So this is an ending, which, the permanent ending, because this is from both the sides, I guess, because now both the sides are over now. The hidden meaning which I'm telling you, this is the hidden message, and from the outside there is still a hope. Yeah, I can see that still there is a hope that you might contact to this person, but the things which are hidden is, there is an ending from both the sides now. You both have just dealt with all these things. Okay, now it's just, it's over, it's fine now, no more talking. Yeah, with the King of Cups and Queen of Cups, there was an emotional connect. There was an emotional connect, but this person of yours was blocking this emotional connect. Okay, emotionally, this person was guarding herself or himself. Like, I cannot talk to this person, no matter how much how I feel for this person, how much I love this person, how much I just think about this person, I cannot just deal with this person. So that kind of energy where, this person is confused with the Two of Wands, still in the crossroads, not able to decide, blocking the love from their heart. They are blocking, I can see over here. And you are actually entering towards a mode where, yes, so no more conflicts. So I can see that you are entering into a new world where you want to explore something new in your life. So you have ended all these things, these past things, you are ending those things. The conflicts you are ending, because after this Five of Wands, the Six of Wands, you are entering in this mode where you are going to be, you will be attracting many people towards you. You are people are giving you a lot of attention. You are going to have some kind of success over here, I feel that. So whatever this is, you are coming towards success in this, not in this thing, in something else. Now you are working for your work. Now you are King of Wands with the Ace of Wands. So many wands are here, and I'm reading earth sign, Capricorn. So many wands. So might be dealing with an earth with a fire sign, Sag, Leo or Aries. So it might be like either you are dealing with this person, or I feel that you have a fire in your sign as well, because you are feeling very passionate over here. I can see your fire sign is growing. Might be because you have Aries in your chart, if for some people, and well, that Mars is entering into Aries, so the success is actually coming towards the surface when Mars has already moved towards Aries now, its own sign. So that is a very beautiful thing for you. You are all set. You are not turning back. I can see you are moving forward, and you are just working with your work now. Yeah, I can see the other people around you. They are still in that place where they will move from you, but they will come back again. Move, come back. So they are playing some kind of an hide and seek, I guess. So they still have a hope that you might contact them. There is a wish from their side, but they are going to remain silent, I guess. They will not talk, but they still hope that you will talk to them. Yeah, because so many of cups as well, that I can see the emotions were there from both the sides. But you are just ending this relationship, or you are ending this thing, whatever this is, you are ending, and you are not ready to open now. It's like, no, I'm done with all this thing. If the other person wants to talk to me, sure, he or she can come towards me. I'm waiting. I can wait at least. I will talk. I'm not like that person who will just tell the other person to just go and leave. But I'm waiting. You're waiting, I see. Yes. With the Page of Swords and Ten of Pentacles and Wheel of Fortune, I see that for some people it is, with the Page of Swords and Ten of Pentacles, it is like some kind of an online work where you are going to get a lot of coins from this online work. Might be a YouTube channel of yours, might be something related to your blog, website, something like that. So I can see a lot of money coming through online work, and it is going to come really fast, because now the time, because I can see that there was no coins before. Yeah, no coins came, just the Six of Pentacles came, but now I feel that there are coins coming, because at the end Ten of Pentacles means that something is coming, the money is coming towards you, and the time is actually coming in your favor for money. So very beautiful reading, my Capricorns. I hope you liked the reading. Okay, so we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.